Okay, so this is our practice. I'm practicing with Karen. I've sent her the invitation and I've already chosen a filter. I know you like it. So let's join. Let's see if I can do all this. So I'm going to pause until she gets in. Okay, Karen is with me now, but wait a minute. Your voice didn't come through my mic. Say hello again.
Hello, how are you?
Ah, fabulous. But now I need to go adjust my sound. So let's go check my settings. And I'm going to pause until we find our settings. Be right back. Okay, so we're just going to go without the headset for a few minutes because I have to figure out how to adjust the sound on my computer for it to come through the headsets. I have headphones or headsets set, but it didn't work. So we're going to continue like this. Hey.
Hi.
So right now I'm presenting and I have figured out how to come over here to the meeting settings and set all these different things. I think for my kids, we might sometimes allow reactions and sometimes not. I like that I can change that in the middle of a meeting so I can address that as soon as I need to. Let's see. And I have an email from Karen about Christmas holiday information, by the way. It just came through. So, so let's
Now,
see. I have it also set.
Are the reactions like to something that's in the chat?
That means I can go up to the top and I can click, hey, happy, and I guess it is in the chat, or I can raise my hand. Let's see. I want to do view so I can see both of us. Let's see. Show participants. No, that's just our names. Lolly's getting a blast watching us going. Let's see if they can figure this out. Oh, okay. Why does it say that all these people are in our meeting? Oh, these are suggestions. I click participants and it says suggestions. Mark Legier, Jennifer Mullinax, David Ponder, Ashley Cumberland, and Carrie Busey. Okay. Except only. Oh, look at that. Look at that happiness. You're showing me happiness on the screen. Okay. So now I'm going to try to find where I remember her showing gallery at the top. Well, oh, hey, there we go. And now I remember her also saying that we can have full gallery. I don't see gallery options. I don't get to click large gallery. Maybe that's only because there's only 2 of us here. Oh, I'll pause while you catch that phone. We'll be right back. Okay, hey, we're back. I know you missed us so much. In the interim, I figured out how to do my headset. Look at that. So good. Okay, so let's see. What else should we do here? We should try a few things. I have these settings at the top. Okay, you're clapping and it makes it look like you're picking your nose. Because the clap was right on. Watch this. Watch this. Let's see if I could do that. Where's reaction? Well, that's funny. Okay. Come on. Come on, do the clap. Okay. Can you see clapping on top of my face? Oh, while yours was like this, it was like right on your nose. Okay, so I have these tools up here at the top. I don't know what this one is. It makes a square, but it's on the screen. Can you see a square that I just put on the screen? You froze. That's interesting. Well, it froze. And you froze too, so let me take that off. That's weird. I can't take it off. Okay, well, I froze her, and now I'm writing on the screen, and I don't know what I'm doing. Well, you'll enjoy looking at the video because you're frozen, looking up majestically. I'm glad I'm practicing with this now. So, come on, I gotta figure out how to take it off. How about all of these buttons? So, what am I learning? I'm learning that I have a lot more to learn. I see your message over there. I can't get it back to our screen. We have frozen. Susie, I need you here to tell me how to unfreeze the screen. Okay, so I have frozen the screen and I don't know how to unfreeze it. Yeah, and we're recording it. Well, can you see me moving around or am I frozen? Meh. No, this whole screen is frozen on this side, and I can't find my. I wonder if it's the screencast. Let me minimize the screencast and see if you're back there. No, it won't let me do anything. So, I'm just drawing rectangles all over it because I can't make the thing go away. So, Lolly, no extra charge for this entertainment. No, I clicked up at the top where I was clicking on that little box and I'm drawing squares around, but it has frozen my screen and I can't find my buttons to my screencast. Let me go down here at the very bottom and well, I still can't find the edge to my screencast. So we're just going to keep screencasting and drawing squares and rectangles because I can't make it stop. If I hold the button down, you move a little bit, but then it keeps coming back. So I think I might have a screencast problem more than a Teams meeting problem. It's okay. Let's practice with these problems now so I will know how to fix them when I have children. I can't make it stop drawing on the screen. Everything changed when I clicked drawing this box at the top. You still there, Karen? Well, and I made it where we could both have presenter rights, so I would love for my screen to go to it, but I think it looks like it's a screencast thing that has frozen, and I can't find my guide to screencast, my controls. They disappeared. It's sunk. Let me click escape is always a friend. Well, usually a friend. Let's see what happens. I see you now. I don't know what happened. I just clicked escape. So escape worked for me. So let's see. I see your text over here or your message that you put. I have Christmas holiday information to share. And let's see. I'm going to I did know that we have dress up days next week. I think I might bump mine up a little bit and add some stuff to it because I might theme my days around Reindeer Day, Snowman Day, things like that. I'm trying to find, oh, there's share. Okay, how could I share a screen? Okay, I'm going to share the screen that that Lolly has for us here. And when I do that, that's interesting. So My screen now is not viewing that. It is now viewing, I would have to move my screen. What I see now on my main screen where I just was is my calendar. So it's viewing my calendar now. Oh, there's your phone call. Yeah, which I am sharing. So I'm going to let her take that call, and I'm going to say, Lolly, this is good practice. I'm going to practice more and let Karen take her call. Okay, so Lolly, we'll see you later. We're going to end this, and I'm going to practice some more. Okay, so now we've got to figure out how to let you be presenter. Maybe that's it. Okay, so yep, 3 dots. Oh, I've got to find the list of people again. Device, call health, meeting options, meeting notes, meeting information. Nope, that's not it either. The people. Okay, good job. Teamwork. Okay, so I'm going to click on your name and mute, disable camera, pin, spotlight, make presenter. It's your turn. You're going to look for the arrow next up to the red thing that says leave. There's a box with an arrow on it. Teamwork again. And we're not really doing sound, but we would have to remember that if we were doing sound. Oh, look. Christmas events. I see it. Oh, and now I see you and I are up in the top corners. Is that what it looked like to you a while ago? Okay. Doesn't that look weird? That's what threw me off a minute ago too. So where I messed up a while. Okay, now your blue screen. I'm at your desktop screen. Bye, Susan. You're missing all the fun. Okay, so what stuck me a while ago is look at the very top and see the tools. I hit that square and I started making squares on the screen and everything froze until I hit escape. You don't see controls at the top like a pen, a pencil, tools where you can do things? Is it the bottom? Do you see any writing tools on your screen? Well, that's very interesting. Well, I'm not going to click it again because it froze me a while ago and I have to practice with that some. I have my do the math group, my NBI group. If I can find some time next week, I might grab a couple of those kids, or maybe some from my reading group, my little advanced kids, and maybe we'll practice some of this next week because right now I need practice with kids. So I could do regular everyday stuff that we do. Fancy things is regular everyday stuff that we do. So yeah. Okay, well, I think we have met all the criteria that we needed to do, except I did not click to record this in Teams, and I see that now. I found it by going to my 3 dots, and I found my control. I had already set it. I thought I had it set to record automatically, but I have start recording, which I did not. So at least I made a screencast of it as backup, and I will know that and note that in our things here. Okay, so See you later, alligator. You got to go to work in a few minutes anyways. Okay. Bye.